Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson again, and we're going to review for the grade 7 October interim math exam. So here is our 2019 show number 1. If you need help with your homework, there's Dollar Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380. It's a good number, meet some good teachers. From Monday to Thursday at 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. So give them a call. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays from 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision, Channel 15. And if you can take some time out of your busy schedule to check out our other videos on YouTube, that would be most appreciative. Subscribe to our channel. My channel name is Dan Robinson. Our latest math prep video is PKMS Math Prep 19. It's a very good movie. I think you'll like it. We're working on Math Prep 2020, Math Prep 20. I think you'll like that as well. So our 20th anniversary year. You can tweet me at drobmath1. All right, so let's get started. Here we have Sean wants to know, what is the decimal equivalent of the fraction 8/15? All right, Sean, so let's help you out. First thing, what's nice to know about this assessment, we can use our calculator. And so let's get it out and type in the fraction 8/15. But I'm going to show you a shorter way to change a fraction to a decimal. Instead of using that ABC button or fraction button that you guys use, I'm going to type 8, but my division symbol button also doubles as the fraction bar. So we can type that instead and then type our denominator and press enter, and we get this as our answer. 0.5 repeating decimal, repeating threes. So that would be our answer. The quickest way to do it instead of using the ABC button or fraction the decimal button. So nice going, Sean. Hopefully that'll answer your question. However, you can put a line on top of the 3. So let's put that there, 0.53, and that'll be another way of indicating that the 3 is repeating by itself. So just by putting a little line on top of the 3, because that's the number that repeats. So any number that repeats would have a line on top of it. If they were the 5 and the 3 were repeating, it would have a line over both of those numbers. So that'd be another answer as well, instead of writing all of those 3s. So I hope you got what you needed to know, Sean. So there is our answer. The 0.5 with all the repeating 3s, or 0.5 with a line over the 3. All right, here's our next question. Sahara had $978.68 in her bank account on Monday. Good money, Sahara. On Tuesday, she spent $61.60 at the hair salon for a color and cut. On Wednesday, she went shopping at the mall and spent $156.75. On Thursday, she took Gabby, her best friend, there's Gabby over there, out for lunch because it was her birthday. Happy birthday, Gabby. Sahara spent $32.56 for lunch. How much money does Sahara have left in her bank account on Friday? All right, Sahara, so you did a lot of spending on these different days, so let's get a list of the expenditures. On Tuesday, she spent $61.60. Wednesday, she spent $156.75. Thursday, she spent the lunch, $32.56. So if we total that all up, the total spent would have been $250.91. So this is where we would get our calculator into play. So let's get the calculator there. Clear this out. And we would type in the amount of money that she had on Monday, $978.68, and subtract from it, find the difference of what she has spent and what she had. So she spent $250.91. So that would leave her with a balance in her bank account of $727.77. So that's how much you would have left in her bank account after those expenditures on Friday. So let's press this, and there we have it. So there's the work of what we did, and on Friday she has that amount, $727.77 left. So that's good. Still a good amount, Sahara. So nice of you to spend on your friend. So I hope you understand what's going on. Check your understanding. If you're not sure, write down your questions, rewatch the video, and bring them in, and I'll be glad to answer them. All right. Whoa. Evaluate. Negative 1/2 plus 2/3 on the top of a fraction over 3/5 times 0.75 minus 11/8 on the bottom of the fraction. So we're going to break this up into separate parts on how we deal with this. So this is a complex fraction, and you got a lot of things going on in the numerator. There's an addition problem of a negative, and you're adding on to another fraction. So we need to find out what would that be first. So let me get my calculator again. So let me clear, because again, we can use our calculators and type in negative 1/2. And my calculator is a little bit different from yours. You would use the ABC button, plus 2/3, and see how much does that equal. That is equal to 1/6. So I'd have 1/6 on the top of my fraction. Put that over there. Draw a little fraction bar. So that would be on the top, my fraction. And now I got to clean up the bottom and see what does that equal to. So let's get my calculator back, clear this out. So what's nice is you can use the fraction, but you do have to demonstrate your work. So type everything in there. I know you use the ABC button for 3/5, and just type everything in there. Parenthesis now, 0.75 minus 11/8. So get that in my denominator. Now go over a little bit, and here we go. So I typed in this whole bottom thing, and this calculator will give us what it really is equal to. So it equals to negative 0.7375. So let's change that by pressing second, our fraction bar button, which change fractions to decimal, just so let's see what that fraction is. That would be negative 3/8. So that would be our denominator. Now, as you are aware of on our calculator that we use in school, when you divide by a decimal point, it doesn't do well with the ABC button, but you use the division button, that will work that out. So this is what we would have, 1/6 over negative 3/8. Now we have a division problem still. It's a fraction that's complex. It's not as funny looking as that. So all we have to do now is just multiply the first numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator, because the complex fraction, all it is really a multiplication by the reciprocal problem. So let's have 1/6 times the reciprocal, means turn upside down the fraction, 8 over 3, which is negative, and that's what we'll do. So we turn the second fraction upside down, and we're now going to multiply straight across. 1 times 8 is 8, and 6 times 3 is 18. We can divide this by 2 and divide this by 2, so we'll have negative 4/9. So we can use either one of these answers because it didn't say simplify the lowest terms, but we usually like to do that as well. So our answer would be negative 4/9 simplified to lowest terms, or we can use negative 8 over 18. So that was a tough problem. I hope you got it and understood what we had to do to get that. So if you have questions, write it down. This was a good problem. You just need to practice, and that's usually what we do by clearing up the numerator, seeing what it is, clearing up the denominator, seeing what that is, and then we just multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So this is a good question for you. I hope you did well on the video. Watch it again. Remember, there's Dial a Teacher Homework Help Hotline at 212-777-3380 from Monday to Thursday from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Don't forget to watch our show Math Time on Tuesdays at 4:30 to 5 p.m. Channel 15 on Optimum Cablevision. Don't forget to check out our videos on YouTube. My channel name is Dan Robinson. Subscribe to our channels. Please give us a thumbs up. Write us a comment. Let us know how we're doing or what we can do better. Remember to check out our latest math prep video, PKMS Math Prep 19. It's a good video. And you can tweet me at drobmath1. So good luck on your test. I know you're going to do well because you watched this video and you've been watching my other videos and you're a subscriber, so that way you get alert to what's going on for our tests. So if you would like more information to study with Dr. Rob, just write me at robinsonmath@aol.com. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something out of the video. I will see you next time. Bye.